Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about shrinkme.io. So you should use this platform or not. It's a legit platform or it's a scam. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to tell you, like, this platform is approx like 5 years from now, and in the period of 5 years they have approx like you can see over here 305 reviews on Trustpilot. Okay, and in the period of 300 you can say 5 years they get like 305 total reviews, out of which 23% negative reviews, and all the negative reviews are complaining about the platform is not looking like a worthy, because all are complaining about like they did not get their money when they want to withdraw their money, they did not get any kind of rewards and all, and their account is also blocked from you can say website owners site. Okay, so there is a issue with your withdrawal issues, related issues, and we talk about another information, that is like they are also available on Facebook, Instagram, but they are not so active on Facebook, Instagram, because their last post is approx like 2 years before, or you can say in the year of 2023 they have posted their post on Facebook. They are not so much active. And if we talk about the payment proofs and all, so they have provided each and every payment proof on their website. But if we talk about real reviews, so real reviews you can see on Trustpilot, and as you know they have a website and they can also do anything with their website, they can also do anything, they can also mention anything on their website. So you should not trust on these kind of you can say reviews which is available on website. But if we talk about the real reviews, so without using platform we cannot say I will get money or not. So you are the only person, you can share your experience. If you have any kind of experience with this platform, you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, and your comment will trust you can say when people comment on the videos, YouTube videos, then other people is also trust on the comments only. Okay, so this is the information, and we cannot say it's a legit or it's a scam. So in by using these kind of reviews, or you can say by reading all the reviews, it's not looking like a good platform. It's looking like a you can say time and waste of money, you can say, like platform. Okay, but the real reviews you can share on our video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.